In this quick Blender tutorial, I will show you how you can install, add, and rotate your HDRI in Blender 5. So here I have a scene. I modeled this bike and now I want to light it. So for that, I want to add an HDRI. First, what I will do is I will come to Google and I will search for Polyhaven. And this is the website that I use to install HDRI. You can use any other website that you like. Install any HDRI that you want, and you can also change the resolution of your HDRI and you can download it. I already have downloaded one HDRI which I will be using. So go to world properties and here change this from color to environment texture. Make sure that you don't change this, make sure that you don't change this to image texture and that you change it to environment texture. Now in shading mode, I'm basically in the world shader type, okay? And everything has turned pink because there is no texture yet. So I will just click open on the environment texture and I will locate to where I've saved my HDRI. And this is the HDRI that I am using. You can use any HDRI that you like. And here you can change the strength, so how much intensity you want. This scene, the default value of 1 is fine. And now in order to rotate it, first you need to make sure that you have node wrangler add-on enabled. So we will go to edit, preferences, add-ons, and search for node wrangler and enable it. If it doesn't show up here, then go to get extensions and search for node wrangler here and then install it and then enable it in the add-ons, and then make sure that you save your preferences. Now with the node wrangler add-on enabled, what we can do is we can select this image texture, environment texture, and then we can press Ctrl D, which will give us these two nodes, the mapping and the texture coordinate nodes. And with this we can rotate our HDRI. So if I rotate it on the Z axis, you see I'm able to rotate my HDRI. You can rotate it on other axes as well. You can even change the location like this, but it kind of distorts the HDRI, so I don't like to do that. But you can play with these settings so you can transform your HDRI like that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe.